What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're doing a battery change on a Lexus Smart Key. This Smart Key is going to take replacement battery CR1632. The first thing we want to do is remove the emergency key from the bottom. That's done by pressing this button here. That'll allow the key to slide out. Now if we look in here where we just took this key out of, there's this little notch right here. And if you notice on the tip of this key, it has a little bit of a lip. What you want to do is put that lip in that notch, like that, and then you're going to twist. So I put the key in that notch and then twisted like that, and that'll pop the shell apart a little bit like this. Go ahead and pull that off of there. Then if we look on the back of the board, we'll see our battery right here. And what I like to do is if you grab that key again, it kind of lets you get under the edge of it right there. Grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up, like that. Go ahead and snap that in there. Line the board up in the buttons, like that. And then you can go ahead and snap the back on. And then finally, we'll slide our key back in. And that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.